Hi everyone and welcome to Speak English Basics.
Today we're diving into an essential skill, how to express opinions in English.
Whether you're discussing movies, sharing your thoughts in a meeting, or having a friendly chat, knowing how to express your opinion is a must.
We'll cover everything from basic phrases to advanced expressions, vocabulary, and even cultural tips. Ready?
Let's get started.
Before we jump in, let's understand what it means to express an opinion.
An opinion is your personal view or belief about something. It's not a fact, but how you feel or think.
For example, if I say, I think coffee is better than tea, that's my opinion.
And if I say, in my opinion, tea is more relaxing, that's my opinion. Let's start with simple, beginner-friendly phrases. I think. Example, I think this restaurant is great. I believe. Example, I believe reading books is important. In my opinion. Example, in my opinion, online classes are very helpful. I feel. Example, I feel that summer is the best season. For me. Example, for me, learning English is fun.
These phrases are perfect for beginners. They're clear and they work in any situation.
Now, let's make your opinions more interesting by adding details. Use because or since to explain why you think something. Example, I think this movie is amazing because the story is very creative. Example, in my opinion, learning English is important since it's a global language. Use, for example, or, such as to support your opinion. Example, I believe healthy food is important, such as fruits and vegetables. Example, for example, I think yoga helps reduce stress.
Adding details shows confidence and makes your opinion sound stronger.
Expressing opinions isn't just about sharing your thoughts, it's also about reacting to others. I agree. I agree. Example, I agree. This park is beautiful. You're right. Example, you're right. This song is amazing.
Exactly.
Example, exactly. Studying every day is helpful. I don't agree. Example, I don't agree. I think it's too expensive. I see your point, but. Example, I see your point, but I think exercise is more important than diet.
I'm not sure about that.
Example, I'm not sure about that. I feel this plan needs more work.
Remember to be polite, especially when you disagree.
Once you're comfortable with basic phrases, you can try more advanced expressions. I'm convinced that. Example, I'm convinced that education is the key to success. I firmly believe. Example, I firmly believe that everyone should recycle. I guess. Example, I guess this idea could work. It seems to me that. Example, it seems to me that we need more time.
Using these phrases can make you sound more fluent and professional.
Let's learn some useful vocabulary. Amazing. I think this movie is amazing. Helpful. In my opinion, this app is helpful. Interesting. I believe this topic is interesting.
Boring. I feel this class is boring.
Difficult. For me, this task is too difficult. Expensive. I think this product is expensive. Okay, I guess this book is okay. Not bad. For me, the movie was not bad.
In English-speaking cultures, sharing opinions is common, but there are a few things to keep in mind. Be respectful. Avoid saying you're wrong. Instead say, I see it differently. Use polite language. Add phrases like I think, or in my opinion, to sound polite. Accept different views. It's okay if others don't agree with you.
Being polite makes conversations more enjoyable. Let's practice some dialogues about expressing opinions. Talking about movies.
What do you think about the new action movie?
I think it's fantastic because the special effects are amazing. Discussing a trip. Do you like traveling by plane?
Not really. For me, it's too stressful.
Let's go over some common mistakes. Not using phrases. Incorrect. This movie is good. Correct. I think this movie is good. Being too direct. Incorrect. You're wrong. Correct. I see it differently.
Using the right phrases helps avoid misunderstandings.
Here's an exercise for you. Write your opinion about the following topics. Your favorite food. Your favorite food. The importance of learning English.
Share your answers in the comments and we'll check them.
Expressing opinions is an important skill for communication. Practice these phrases and you'll improve quickly.
And remember, it's okay to make mistakes while learning. Just keep practicing.
Thanks for watching, and see you in the next lesson.